Alright, this is the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11. I got the blue version. It's an instant camera, so basically you take photos and it automatically prints out the photo you took. For this to work, you're gonna need some film, but thankfully Fujifilm does have film that they sell, so you could just buy some if you plan to take some pictures. Built in the camera is an automatic exposure function, and basically this helps you get the perfect shot every single time. You don't have to manually adjust any settings yourself because the Instax will automatically adjust the shutter speed and flash based on the lighting conditions of wherever you're at. Another amazing benefit of this camera is the built-in selfie mode. Not only is there a mirror on the front of the camera which helps you frame the perfect shot, the Instax will also automatically adjust the focus and exposure settings for your selfie. You could easily capture your memories on the go as the Instax is very small and lightweight. To use this product, all you have to do is first open it up with the little latch, then you insert your Fujifilm sheets, then you just press the button on the top and you're pretty much ready to go. The lens will shoot up a little bit and there'll be a little red light to indicate that, you're ready to take your pictures. Then you just press the button on the top to take your photo, and then you just wait for it to print out. You gotta give the photo some time to settle, but the quality is actually pretty good. It's a pretty high definition photo. But yeah, that's the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11. I hope you found this very informational.